Today I am going to teach you how to make flower pots. This one from the old notebooks. So I will first of all I'll tell the materials required. Number one, old notebooks. This one. Number two, glue. Number three, knives. Number four, cutter. Number five, scissor. And number six, sticks of different sizes. Number seven, beads. Number eight, empty bottles. These are the material required for making this flower pot. So what we have to do, the steps are: take the notebook first and cut it vertically in the middle of the notebook with the help of knives. And I have already cut it. It will be like this. And now what we have to do, take this paper and roll it with the help of stick. You have to roll more than 50 to 70 roll paper like this, and you apply the glue here and stick it. In this way, I have already rolled this one, and for decorating purpose, for making flower and leaves, we have to take this small size paper and with the help of small sticks, you have to roll it again like this, and you apply the glue and stick it. You remove it from the stick, it will be like this, and this will serve for the purpose of making flowers and leaves in the time of decoration. For that also I have already kept this, I have already made it. Now what we have to do, stay free, flatten the roll paper like this. Flatten it so that it is easier to roll. Then roll the flattened paper by joining one by one. So you roll it like this, you join it, in this way you roll it, and you apply glue and you join it like this and roll it. In this way you roll it. Now in this way you have to add more and more till the required size is not obtained. So I have already rolled it here. Here is the one that you will get after rolling it. This is the first one. In this way we have to make 4 different circular wheels, and like this. For this, what we have to do is we have to use this empty bottle. Over this empty bottle we have to roll like this. You have to apply glue in the beginning so that it may remain stick. In this way you apply it and the same procedure that what we have done here, you roll it by joining one by one, and you roll it just equivalent to the previous one. The diameter of both the wheel, circular wheel, must be equal. After that, the same procedure is to be made for the base and for the rim of the pot, and this is bigger, base one is bigger than the rim one. In this, now what we have to do is we have to apply glues all over the part of the circular wheel like this, and if possible you add some water and you make it like this. You rub all over the part of the wheel. After that, what you have to do is you push gently like this to make it in the shape of bowl. You push it gently. Care should be taken. This will come out. So you should take care while doing this. In this way, you have to push it. After that, what you have to do, again you have to apply glues here also, and you make it firm. In this way we have to do it, and this portion will become like this, and for the upper part, this will serve as the upper part of the pot, of the pot body. We have to apply it all over the wheel cart here on both sides in this way, and again we have to press it out gently. Okay, like this we have to press it, and suppose this is the upper part. So what we have to do, we have to keep it in the sun or under the fan to dry this one. After that, what we have to do is it will become like this when you join it. Before joining, we have to make all this base also in the same process. We have to make the shape of a bowl. It will serve as the base of the flower pot. Suppose it will be joined like this. It will become like this, and this will be the serve as the brim of the pot here. And for the neck portion, suppose this is the thin paper about 10 to 10 centimeter length and breadth. You make a roll like this in the form of cylinder, and you insert it inside this hole, and like this yes. Now this will be the neck portion of the flower pot, and you have to join like this. For joining this, what you have to do is you make a strip here like this, join it with and glue it, and you remove it and apply glue here, and you stuck like this. And the same process will be done here also. In this way, after that, what we have to do is we put the gum here, glue, apply it, and you stick it and the same thing, the glue you apply it here and stick it like this. In this way the flower pot is ready. For decorating purpose, it is up to you how you want to decorate it. You can decorate in the same way that I have done it, or you can innovate. You can put your ideas. For this flower and leaves, we can take the small paper rolled one and you make it like this, a small ring, and you join it, glue it, and you make in the shape of leaf like this, in this way. Here is the thing. So what we have to do is, you apply glue here and you stick in the form of flower like this. The way you want, it is depend upon you in what way you want to decorate it. In this way you can have a beautiful flower pot. Thank you.